The provincial government may cause any licensing authority to prepare for the province or for any area in the province a register in which shall be entered the names of such persons within the province or area as the case may be, who are capable of driving a motor vehicle, as the licensing authority may think fit to enter together with such details of their qualifications as drivers as may be prescribed by rules made under section 8 full stop. The register shall show under separate headings the names of those persons who are capable of driving a transport vehicle and those persons who are not so capable. Full stop. The licensing authority shall, on entering the name of any person in the register, send to that person a notice in writing informing him that his name has been entered in the register for the province or area as the case may be, stating whether he has been registered as capable of driving a transport vehicle or not, and informing him of the provisions of sections 4 and 5 of this ordinance. First stop. The licensing authority may, for the purpose of preparing the register under subsection 1 by notice in writing, call upon any person to furnish in accordance with the requirements of the notice any information relating to his qualifications as a driver of motor vehicles, which may be required by such notice. First step. Any officer empowered in this behalf by the provincial government may, by an order in writing delivered to any person whose name is entered in the register referred to in section 3, require him to present himself at such time and at such place and to such authority as may be specified the order, and to perform such services as may be so specified or as may be required of him by the authority to whom he has presented himself in pursuance of such order. First step. An order under subsection 1 may require a person to drive a motor vehicle notwithstanding that he is not licensed under the Motor Vehicles Act 1939 to drive a motor vehicle or a motor vehicle of the class to which the vehicle to be driven belongs, and nothing in section